Introducing our center console accent kit for the 2020 newer Polaris Slingshot models equipped with a manual transmission. This two-piece kit accentuates the inner center console that surrounds your 2020 Plus Polaris Slingshot manual shift knob and change tray. Now, if you're unfamiliar with our Toughskins products, they begin with a high-quality substrate such as real carbon fiber like this kit here. They're then coated with a UV-resistant top coat that protects the kits from Mother Nature, and they're then backed with a 3M VHB backing tape for maximum adhesion. This kit's available in real carbon fiber, as well as a variety of other colors to match your Slingshot's color profile. Now let me show you just how easy this mod is to install. Start by test fitting the pieces so that you know how they'll fit up. Then thoroughly clean the service area with alcohol, and let that sit for a minute to dry. Now peel back a small section of the protective backing tape, line it up so that it's straight, and then press down firmly to adhere into place. Peeling back small sections as you go. So if this manual transmission inner console trim kit is something you'd like for your Slingshot, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today to grab a kit for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so we can keep you up to date with everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.